Hi, thank you for being here. This is the tapping audio that will help you get rid of negative thoughts. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting with the side of the head. Even though I have all these negative thoughts, they are not a threat to my survival. Even though it's a habit for me to feel guilty, for me to feel like I've failed, I'm open to the possibility of feeling differently. Even though sometimes these thoughts feel out of control. I know I'm actually the one in control. And I can choose differently. Top of the head. All these negative thoughts. Eyebrow. Reminding my body that they're not a threat to me. Side of the eye. It's just a habit of being hard on myself. Under the eye. A habit of worrying. Under the nose. I'm actually the one in control. Under the chin. I'm the one in control of my thoughts. Collarbone. And I can choose differently. Under the arm. So I choose to see myself as a success. Onto the ribs. I choose to feel like a success. Onto the wrist. These thoughts are not who I am. Top of the head. And they don't define me. Eyebrow. I can handle whatever comes my way. Side of the eye. I'm whole, capable, and complete. Under the eye. And I'm now breathing deeper. Under the nose. My nervous system is being soothed. Under the chin. I'm beginning to feel safe and secure. Collarbone. I choose to see myself as a success. Under the arm. I choose to see myself as confident. Onto the ribs. I choose to see myself as capable. Onto the wrist. I am peaceful and all is well. And taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping twice a day and whenever you feel stressed so that you can soothe your nervous system and reprogram your subconscious mind.